Dear friends, in this video I am showing the cadaver dissection of cochlea. As you all know, the basal turn is towards inferior and the apex is towards the above. You are seeing the promontory through the facial recess. In cochlear implant surgery, we insert the electrodes through the round window. Some prefer cochleostomy. Now you can see the round window. Anterior to the round window, we will do the cochleostomy. In cases where you are unable to expose the round window, you can do cochleostomy and insert the electrodes. Either in round window or cochleostomy, we will insert the electrodes into the scala tympani of the cochlea. In cases where the basal turn of the cochlea is ossified, you have to do insertion of the electrode through the second turn of the cochlea. For that, you have to do a cochleostomy anterior to the oval window. For doing this, you have to remove the incus buttress and also the incus. See, this is the stapes. Now I am pressing and you could see the round window reflex. We have to make fenestra anterior to the oval window or the stapes for electrode insertion to the second turn. Just inferior to the process cochlear formis is the area for apical turn. See, this is the cochleostomy done in the apical turn. As this is a cadaver, I am doing washing. So by washing, you could see that water is freely flowing in all the turns. That means all these are in continuity. Now I am passing the electrode through the cochleostomy. You could appreciate that the electrode is passing along the basal turn and it is coming into the second turn. Thanks for watching.